This is my experimental camera setup just made, and it's not exactly a spotter camera because, as you can see, it's kind of big. I tried to put everything on it, which sort of didn't exactly work out. Like, I had it where it was supposed to record both video and audio. I have this microphone here, but the audio really is real bad because it's a cheap microphone. It's only like $2.50, but it records too much low background noise. It's very loud, and so the voice is pretty much indistinguishable most of the time. So I won't be using the microphone on it, and it has this little SD card recorder on it to record. But the problem I have with this is that it'll only start recording if I start it in a brightly lit background and then take it to the dark. It can record in the dark that way, but that's the only way it wants to record. So that's the only kind of thing I got right now for recording. So I'm kind of stuck with that too. But mainly, this thing is just to show the differences between like a cheap handheld digital camera like from Walmart, and the difference between that and a little bit more expensive security camera type camera, as far as seeing at night. It's going to show how much difference that is. And so anyway, that's what it looks like on the front side, and it has this camera is like a $75 camera. It's a HD FEOV Sony 750 TVL 960H with WDR 660mm manual focus. And the reason why I picked this camera is it's not super expensive. That it is minimum illumination is put at 0.001 lux at f2.0, and it don't just like totally rely on sensor maybe to get that far on the lux. It kind of does, but it mostly has a pretty good night vision where it shows motion in real time with pretty low lux lighting. And other than that, this is a homemade light. This thing's crazy. It's like made out of tin cans, lung parts and stuff, but it's got one of those, the Golden Dragon infrared LED. It's 850 nanometer, and it produces a half watt of light. And it has, I'm powering it on its own power supply here with 2 D cells, and it has a small voltage regulator board, a little bit board in the back, so it's keeping it at something, I forget, it's something like 1.6 or 1.65 volts, somewhere in there. But it makes it where brand new batteries, it runs about 750 milliamps to the light, and as it goes, batteries go down to about 3 volts or less. It runs about a half an amp to the light. The light's 1,000 milliamp maximum. And and other than that, anyway, turn it around. We got the battery. It has a 1.68 amp hour 12 volt lithium, and it has its own power switch in there to turn that on and off. And then I got a 5-inch monitor, and you got 3 jacks out, And the jack on this end, I don't know if you can see that, but on this end here is my record jack, so it's controlled by this switch because this box can't be turned on and off by itself. It's turning it on and off. It records here with this switch and has a little LED light to show that. And then you got another one. It goes to the microphone, but the microphone also has auxiliary power out, so that goes back to the monitor. And then this third jack here on the left, it goes to the camera. And the camera, though, I've got the video wide off so that you can see the video when you're not recording, and you can also record it. So that one part's going straight to the monitor, the other part's going over to the SD card reader. And let's see. Well, that's it, except for the light. It turns on and off here. We got wires everywhere and everything. But it's also, the light is adjustable inside. It moves back and forth here by this little rod, so it can get long distance and short distance, and big, wide focus at short distance, and narrow, very narrow focus at long distance. And that's pretty much it, I think. And anyway, it's pretty crazy. It ain't no small little deal or nothing, but I tried to put everything on it, but don't work really all that well. But light and the camera really does work pretty well. Only problem I had with the camera was the electronics and the incoming power was fairly weak on the board, and when I was first messing with it, I didn't have it wired to a jack. Barely, got an arc on the wire, hooking it to a battery, testing it out, and that little arc shorted out a board lead, solder lead on the board, and I had to go in there and put aluminum tape and all that and fix it. But other than that, it's a good camera, though. It's very powerful in the dark. Anyway, I got to cut this off about there because I'm going to run out of time.